Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I have featured behind me two stoves, the Nordica Milly and the Guliver. And I'm going to give you guys a product comparison. I'm located out on Lake Pend Oreille today in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho. And I'm super excited to do this product comparison for you guys because it's pretty rare that I actually get to have multiple stoves burning at the same time, especially side by side. So I love that I am able to light these up outside and tell you guys some features of the stoves and some product differences. So we're going to go ahead and start here with the Guliver. The Guliver is manufactured in Serbia and is available in a wide variety of colors. This shown here is going to be the soapstone. You can get it in a burgundy color, in a full black color, which looks really nice, and then a cream color as well. So you do have a variety of options. I love the Guliver because it has this beautiful detailing on the door in the cast iron, and I really feel like it does a lot. It makes the room kind of pop, and it accentuates the cast iron pretty well. The Guliver model is going to be available in either a left hand or a right hand flue. And the Milly over here is going to be a center flue. So that's going to be a pretty big product difference. The Milly is nice. It's featured on legs. This is probably my favorite Nordica model. And I really do like the legs. I think it gives it a nice look. With the Milly, there's no option to change your firebox. The firebox is always going to be on the left-hand side of the stove. Like I said, how the flue is interchangeable. This firebox is located on the left-hand side because the flue is on the right. But if you wanted to reverse that, you could order a left-handed flue, which would then put your firebox on the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front. So that's pretty unique and versatile. It's nice to have that option. Both models can be a top or a rear vent, and they both take a 6-inch flue. The firebox on both models is fairly large, I would say. Both of these models are going to burn about 7 to 8 hours. The Guliver is capable of burning coal, while the Milly is going to be a wood-only stove. Both of these models are UL and ULC listed, so they are approved for North America, the USA, and Canada to be sold. In general, the construction of the stove, this is going to be a cast iron cooktop on both models and cast iron doors on the stove. Inside the firebox, the Milly does have ceramic side panels, and the firebox on the Guliver is going to be a full cast iron. Both of the baking ovens are going to be lined with the stainless steel, so that's really nice, pretty easy cleanup with the stainless steel finish. The Guliver does have this nice little drawer located at the bottom of the stove. You can use this drawer to store wood, to store pans, etc., whatever's working best for you there. Let's see. The Guliver is going to come standard with a front rail only, and the Milly is going to be a 3-piece railing there, so no option to change that. Overall, I would say it's going to depend on the aesthetic and what you're looking for. If you want the flexibility of being able to burn wood and coal, the Guliver is an excellent option. Now, the Guliver is also tax credit qualified. So right now in the US, we do have a 30% federal tax credit that allows you to deduct the cost of the stove, the cost of the chimney pipe, and installation cost. And that's 30% up to $6,800, and that's the valid tax credit as of March of 2025. So that tax credit, if you need a tax credit, that can be an excellent option to decide on the Guliver. I hope that you guys found this product overview educational, informational, and helpful. If you guys do like my videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Don't forget, if you know somebody who would benefit from these videos or like this information, please share it, because when you share it, it helps me out so much. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a wonderful day.